Yeah, I think that the lack of bullying has to do with the fact that people are more accepting.
No, CVU has a great atmosphere because everyone's accepting and people can look past their differences.
I've noticed that people are pretty open to each other. Even if you're not friends with somebody, they'll still help you.
Well, what I like about CVU is that people seem to embrace the differences they have with other people and let them handle the way they want to handle their business and their life.
I think they are alike. I think it's what we're not only taught, but it's also what we see in media and what we see in schools. It's interesting because working with teenagers, you always have certain perspectives and certain even thoughts of what you expect a teenager to be like. And every week I'm always going, I just met another teenager that was really kind to somebody that they didn't even know. And they did something kind just out of the blue. And that happens a lot. And that shows me that I think the atmosphere in this building is accepting.
I think this climate at CVU is certainly towards the tolerant side. I think people can really kind of be themselves here without too much fear of having to deal with a lot of hazing and bullying and negativity. I really like that about this place, that the climate is pretty open-minded, which I really appreciate.
I feel that we all have the desire to be accepted, and that a lot of what we do is striving towards the goal of being accepted and finding our niche in life.
You look at any two people that inhabit this planet, and you sequence all the DNA in one of their cells, over 99% of those A's, T's, C's, and G's are exactly the same. So from a biological standpoint, people are far more alike than they are different.
I also think that at CVU we expect students to do the right thing, and that helps them become a positive member of their community, which goes back to them feeling accepted in their community.
I think that the students and faculty at CVU are very cohesive. I think because we treasure the differences. So we're all so similar. We've got small differences between one another. As opposed to being scared of those differences, we embrace those differences and we value them and we use them as opportunities to grow.